Hello, my dear students. Every day we are vexed with the classes. Today, I want to try it in different way. I am also vexed with the taking classes because the students are not attending to the college. Because of that, I am trying differently. Okay. Up to now, we discussed the sixth chapter. Total sixth chapter is completed. Because of that, question and answer wise class today. No, I don't give answers to you. Send the answers to me through the comment box. If any one of you send more answers, I will send the gift to you. What is that gift? I don't reveal it. Okay. Definitely I will send the gift to you. I will send gift. Okay. మరి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా మరి క్వశ్చన్స్. The parasite which completes its life cycle in only one host, that parasite is called as, ఏమంటారు దాన్ని, that parasite is called. And the parasite which completes its life cycle in two hosts, రెండు హోస్ట్లో రెండు అతిథేయులు, two hosts, it completes its life cycle in two hosts, that parasite is called. And the third question, because of parasitic castration, which parts of the body degeneration takes place in the host? ఓకే, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. Because of parasitic castration, which part of the body degeneration takes place? That is the third question. And the reproductive potential is more in parasite. In which parasite reproductive potential is more in the parasite? In which parasite proglotid acts as a reproductive organ? Name that parasite. Fifth question, which parasite escape from formation of vaccine? Which parasite escape from formation of vaccine? Fifth question. And the cell size increases because of parasite, that condition is called. Cell number, seventh question, sixth question completed. Cell number increases, that condition is called. New cells formation takes place because of the parasite, that condition is considered as. నేను ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ లాగిస్తాను. న్యూ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్, దట్ కండిషన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ నియోప్లాసియా, హైపర్ప్లాసియా, నియోట్రోపీ. జైగాంటిజం ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్, జైగాంటిజం is define the gigantism. In Entamoeba histolytica, which stage is infective stage to man? And in Ascaris, which stage is infective stage to man? And in Wuchereria bancrofti, which is the infective stage to man? All the infective stages you send to me through the comment box. And which drug is called crack? Hashish, ganja, marijuana is derived from which plant? Hashish, ganja, marijuana is derived from which plant? So these are the questions. Nearly 15 questions are there. If any one of you send the answers first to me, I will give the gift to you. Okay, my dear.